guys, welcome to Simplifying Tech and Programming. So in today's session we are going to check about how we can generate the QR code using Java in simple and easy steps. Within 3-4 steps we can able to generate the QR code, and in advanced part we are able to learn about how we can add your company logo into the QR code. So it look like this. So two-dimensional matrix code, that is a quick response code, and it can be read by QR code scanners or smartphones. So in today's world we can able to find the QR code everywhere, like into the blogs, into the websites, into the exhibitions, into the payment system that we can pay usually, into the vehicle tagging systems, in the movie ticket also we can able to like scan the QR code without any hard ticket, in geolocations, in like a web URL, in pricing details, or in product details, even in some public places. So it is a very popular encoding system in the mobile apps, and where we can scan the QR code, and using mobile also you can able to scan, using scanner also you can able to scan, and by using Java program also we can able to scan that QR code and decode that information. So using Java, how we can generate the QR code? So it is a very simple. So Google has provided one library that is called as zxing library. So using that zxing library is nothing but zebra crossing, we can say, and it is a popular open source API we can use in Java. Okay, so how much data can be stored into the QR code? So the storage capacity will depends on multiple factors like data type, versioning, and error correction. But in simple terms, if we consider about alphanumeric data, means digits and your characters, so you can say about up to 4296 character we can able to store into the QR code. So now let's move into hands-on, and let's see how we can generate the QR code using Java. So just create the simple maven project into the Eclipse and start adding the dependency. So I'm going to Eclipse. So I'm creating the simple maven project. Create simple maven project. Say next. Group ID as, copy the same as artifact ID, and then say finish. Okay, so we have to copy this dependency in order to generate your QR code. So go to source, create one Java file, name as a generate QR code. Okay, before that we add the form content that we have copied. Yeah, so here just paste the dependencies we have copied. So it's saying that Google zxing library, and this library is we need in order to generate our QR code. Just save it, and just go to blog again, and just copy this code snippet. Yeah, just save it. Yeah, just say Control Shift O in order to import your packages. So it will automatically import the packages. So I will explain you what this code is. So basically we are providing the content. So this content will be encoded into your QR image, and we are giving the path to store, means the place where that QR code will be generated and stored. Yeah, so this is with this piece of code we are just encoding our data. So we are using this bitmetrics API of zxing library, so which represents the 2D metrics in the bits, and by using that this is the multi-format writer to encode our content. Okay, and this is the like image specification, what is image height and width. Okay, and this is like barcode format also. Then matrix to image writer. So we need to write the encoded image. So we are passing this bit matrix object to the image writer to write into the file system with the format JPG and the path where it's to be written. Okay, so just right click and say run as a Java project, save it. Okay, note this path, C tools QR code generated. Yeah, so you can see QR code generated successfully, output is got. So let's verify it. So go to this. So in the into the C tools, this QR code is generated. So you can able to see this is our QR code. So let's verify what is the content inside this. So to verify that, so there is a website, that is a webqr.com. Okay, so you just need to upload the image here, so that it will give the content about that. So click here and say choose file. So yeah, so it is giving the content we have provided, that is simplifying text. Okay, so just copy this and just hit it here, so it will redirect to my blog. This way, we can able to generate the QR code and like using web QR, so we can verify the content. Now moving further to the advanced part. So how we can add the logo into the QR code. Okay, so for that we are creating one Java class. We are just copy. Yeah, so here there are three parts. One is like bit matrix, you are encoding the your data. Then matrix image configs as, so that is required in order to combine your logo and encoded image. And here getting the logo image part, and this is a merging image part. Okay, so this buffered image is a API. This is Java API, and this is like a matrix image writer, so which is responsible for creating streams of object to write into the your file system. Now getting logo image, so you can get the logo image by using image.io API. Okay, uh, and by using buffered image we can create this object, and we can specify the final image height and final image width of the logo. So this is basically our QR image. So what we are doing, like we are just in middle, so that we have to adjust the height and width of that. So we are doing some calculation to the image height. So we are just QR image height minus logo image height. So these are just configuration to add into the middle of the uh, QR code. So next is merging of both images. So we are getting this buffered image. So we are providing three parameters, like one is a QR image height, QR image width, and the buffered image type, that is RGB. Okay, and here we are adding the graphics specification. So this is the graphics studio object of Java AWT. By using that, we are adding drawing the image over our previous image. Okay, so this is the set composite method, and this is the draw image method, where we are using this logo image, and we are just uh, rounding up middle image into the base image. Okay, so this is the image.io object. I'm writing my final image into file system. Okay, so just save it and run it. So you can see QR code generated here. Your QR code will be generated. Yes, so we got successful message. So just verify it. Go here, QR code generated, open it. So you can see your logo is embedded into the QR code. So you can, yeah, so we can generate the logo also inside your QR code. So in this way, we learned about the simply generating QR code, and in the advanced part we are learned about embedding your company logo into the QR code. Yeah, so thanks a lot for watching.